How to schedule a ride in advance on Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to schedule a ride in advance on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to schedule a ride, simply tap on the schedule button right here. Select it. Now from here, simply choose your destination, just like this, and simply tap on to set your drop-off. Then you can simply now choose the time of your schedule, just like this, and tap on to next. Now simply tap on to schedule standard. You can also choose the ride type right here. Now simply schedule it. So to schedule it, you need to add your payment method, and after adding it, you can simply schedule your ride. And that's it. This is how you can schedule a ride in advance on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.